Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got in a Huawei Mediapad T3 8.0. Model number is KOB-L09. This one's got a cracked screen. So what we need to do now is remove that screen. How are we going to do that? Right, pretty straightforward. We're going to heat up the surrounding edges, or actually the whole thing, but the actual bonding is around the edges, and we need to remove this panel. There's no way of getting it out from the back, so it has to come out from this way. It comes up. Okay, now the best thing to do is either get a hairdryer. If you haven't done a repair before, you won't have one of these. This is a heat pad, which I'll switch on now, and that will go up to about 70 to 80 degrees, and we'll leave it on there for a few minutes, and that will break down or loosen up the bonding for us, so it's easier for us to take the glass off. If you haven't got a heat pad, which I assume you don't, I would recommend using a hairdryer and doing it kind of 5-6 inches at a time, heating it up, putting some isopropyl alcohol, and getting an opening tool, something similar to this one here, so you can get inside the glass. Okay, as you can see, I can get in there now. I can probably do it as it is, but I want to do it properly. So let's heat that up for a few minutes, and then we'll take off the glass. Now, what I would also recommend you do is have a look first of all. In fact, let me just show you. So you can have a look of where, if there's any flexes, any ribbons anywhere to be wary of. Okay, so we've got the screen. I want to make sure actually there's a massive hole there. Can you see that? So there's a gap in that one, and that one's got a gauze in there. So that gauze needs to be taken out as well. Anyway, right, so this is the correct screen for this device. Now you've got flexes on this side, so like so. So when you do take the glass out, just be careful that you don't actually damage anything internally of the screen. But we don't need to. Take the top off first, and it will just come off this way. But yeah, let's give it a few minutes, and we'll get right into it. Right, I think that's now warm enough, so I'm going to switch off the heat mat, move that out of the way, and now I'm just going to put a bit of alcohol along the edges like so. That will seep in around the frame. We've also got another issue here, which is a bit of metal there. I'll grind that off. Okay, get the opening tool and just glide inside. Okay. Seems like it's clipped in though. I can hear these clicks. So, can you hear those clicks? That means there's another frame, which is a bit strange. So, all right, yeah. So we've got a frame as well, which is going to be a pretty big repair now, because we've got to take the frame off and then put it onto the new glass. Okay. So, yeah, there's a frame. So we didn't need to heat it off really. You can just take it out of the frame. The heating up bit now will come now actually. So just slowly lift that up, and as you can see, it's revealed a flex cable, which is perfect for us. That's Phillips. I need an eye test. No, I'm serious, I need an eye test. The glasses I'm wearing ain't doing the job, so I'm sure my eyes are getting worse. Right. Let's just flick off. I would rather disconnect that battery first before the flex cable, because if there is a problem with that flex cable, if you take it off incorrectly, you could damage the board. Okay, so let's just pop this off as well. There's the battery connector, and also just keep your finger on the power button just to drain any power that's maybe still around the board, just to make sure we don't short anything. Right now we can take off the flex, just flick it off like so. Okay, so this is going to be a bit of a difficult job now. Not difficult, but a bit more tedious. Okay, so see, can you see that there? That's what we need to get rid of. We need to take this frame off. So the frame will come away. It's not difficult, but we'll do it. So first thing I'm going to do is that this piece here, it's got the metal sticking up, and you could cut your fingers on there. So I'm going to just get rid of that excess metal, which has been. I've got a grinding pen here. I'm going to use one of these tools. I think I'll use a pretty big one. Let's go for this one, shall we? Yeah, let's go for that one. Okay, put that in there, and that will get rid of this. We'll get rid of the metal. I'm just going to put this bubble wrap here so all the dust is collected. Okay, and then just grind that out. See, that's a lot better than it was before, but it's better than having it, you know, sticking out. Keep that on. While it's doing that, I want to remove this flex cable. Hopefully that is heated up enough. It's cooking. Let's try and get this frame off. Now, what I'm going to do is put the alcohol. I'm going to put it down here actually. The screen's knackered anyway, so it doesn't matter. So let's do it this way. See if we can get it off. So that frame is completely off. Well, almost. So let's get more alcohol, put it down there. That's off now. Okay, that gauze is still there, so we need to do something with this. Okay, let's just leave that on there for now. It's still warm. I want to remove this glass here. Right, now we need to remove this gauze without damaging it, because we need to put that back on to the new screen, like so. Again, you probably will get I'll get my best friend to help me out. Let's get the new screen and let's align. This actually has got a bit of a groove, so it actually sits in there. So what I'm going to do is just put a bit of this T9000 glue where that gauze goes in. This does dry pretty quickly, so it needs to be quick. Now with the frame, I'm actually going to use the bonding glue as well, because it's pretty good stuff and it will be solid. Okay, so I'm just going to put quite a bit on. Obviously when you push the frame down, it will spread as well. Make sure you go around and clean the frame. There's no other bits of old tape or bonding left. Doesn't have to be perfectly clean. Right, okay, just line it up and just push it down. Make sure it's in. Let's put in the flex cable. Put the flex cable in, make sure it's in perfectly. Let's get our patient. Where are you? Okay, there you are. Let's plug in the screen first of all. Okay, and then we'll plug in the battery. And the battery has got a bit of a hook to put in the shield in, or the retaining shield. There was no need to remove that screw. I don't know why I took it out, to be honest, but anyway, I did. And I'll put it back in again. Now, before I actually push it all into position, I want to make sure that the device actually powers up. Okay, yes, it does. As you can see, that screen is done. But there you go. That's all done. And that's how you install a new LCD panel into a Huawei Mediapad. I think that indicates that the battery is low. I'm just going to plug a charger in, make sure this device does charge as well. And it does. Okay, so that's fine. So now what I'm going to do, while it's we know that it's working, can do a test afterwards, but I'm quite confident this is going to work. I'm just going to push the screen into position now. Now, pushing the screen in could be a bit tricky. Just do it slowly. Don't press too much pressure on it, because you could crack it. Just do it slowly. It will fit perfectly in, providing your frame is lined up perfectly with the screen. Right. There you go. If I take this off, you see that the panel is absolutely flush. Okay. That side, perfect. That side's perfect, and so is that side. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.